Taiwanese chipmaker TSMC has reported another strong quarterly earnings, beating market expectations. But earlier, signs of investor concerns with Taiwan's chip stocks dipping after Donald Trump made negative remarks about Taiwan and its chip industry. Joyce Tseng joins us now live in the studio with more. Joyce, what's the main takeaway from TSMC's latest performance numbers?
Well, at TSMC's earnings meeting, the company posted $7.6 billion in net profits for its second quarter. That's a strong increase of 36% from the same time last year. Now, this also beats market expectations, which analysts had already given a high estimation of around $7.3 billion. Now, TSMC says this is thanks to strong smartphone and also AI-related demand. Now that AI applications have come into personal computers, we're starting to see firms like TSMC reap the benefits of their bets and investments on this trend. At the same time, though, given these advancements, the firm's head, C.C. Wei, said that customers are indeed wanting TSMC's most cutting-edge nodes, and those are not even in mass production yet. Now, Wei says the capacity for those chips right now is quite frankly tight, but that they are on track to reach volume production in the next couple of years, and that they are working hard to meet these demands.
Now, as we heard from Reese, former US President Trump in recent days spoke negatively of Taiwan's semiconductor industry, telling Bloomberg that Taiwan stole the United States chips business. We've seen TSMC stocks take a hit from those comments. Can you walk us through what happened there and what we expect next?
Well, it was a rocky day for the chips industry here, but also worldwide, with the stocks of major chip firms dropping off the back of Trump's comments. As you mentioned there, the former US President Donald Trump reiterating his previous stance and saying, quote, that Taiwan took about 100% of the United States' chips business. Now, if you look at the numbers here, TSMC closed around 2.5% down here in Taipei in Thursday's trade, and across the globe in Wednesday's trade in the US, Europe, today's trade here in Japan, other chip heavy hitters also significantly down. Now, earlier I spoke to a semiconductor analyst about what a potential Trump presidency could mean for Taiwan's tech industry.
I just don't really see a motivation for a hypothetical President Trump next year to put pressure on Taiwan the way he claims he wants to. There's no advantage for the United States. Quite the contrary. I think that the United States economy and Taiwan, especially on the chip side, and especially when you think about the importance of U.S. leadership in the AI space, is kind of contingent on a healthy relationship with Taiwan. Serious investors should look at the market, at the opportunity, at the demand pipeline, at the trajectory, and again, all of these fundamentals are extremely, extremely strong.
Now, as you heard there, given how strong the momentum is in the AI market, chip analysts aren't too concerned that this tumble in stocks will slow down the pace of the chips industry.